Hi, I'm Bill with Sigma Estimates. With this video, I'm going to show you how to work with the Revit integration for Sigma Estimates. If you have not already installed the Revit integration, please see our guide entitled Installing the Revit Integration. With the model open that you want to work with, and make sure it's in 3D view, click on the Sigma Estimates tab in the toolbar. Then click on Connect Settings. The Create 5D Model Exported Elements dialog box will open. Do one of the following. If you would like to choose which elements are exported, click on the Choose Element radio button and then click on the box. This will open a window where you can choose which elements to export. When you choose them, you can choose whether or not to itemize each instance of that or just get a total. When you're finished with your selections, click OK. In this example, I'll click Cancel. The other option is to choose all of the elements in the model. Click Next. Click Next to accept the default cost breakdown structure. Then select Set Sigma Standards and click Next. Then click Next, and finally click on Go. Data from the 3D model for all or the selected elements exported to Sigma, where you can see the name 3D model as the title of the estimate, and 3D model as the main header. I'll now switch to Sigma. This is obviously easier with two monitors so that you can go back and forth easily. Having exported all the items in the model, if you select an item in the model, such as the roof, and then go to Sigma, you will see that the metal panel roof has been selected. If you select walls in Sigma and return to Revit, you'll see that all of the walls in Revit are highlighted. Now you know how to work with Connect Settings in the Revit integration for Sigma. For more information, go to www.sigmaestimates.com.